Johnson Manabat reports.
This is the biggest attempt of COMELEC to regulate surveys.
The Commission on Elections is set to meet with different survey firms on Thursday to establish guidelines in election surveys for the midterm polls. COMELEC Chairman George Garcia says they will invite about 6 known survey firms for the talks. The poll chief also called on the media, religious organizations, and other stakeholders to identify who commissioned or paid for the survey.
Ang amin lang pong pakiusap sa mga entities na yan na nasa simbahan, nasa educational institution, sana lang masabi lang doon o sino ang nag-commission nito, sino ang nagbayad nito, ano ang ginamit na scientific method.
Garcia also clarified who are required to register to the commission when conducting election surveys. He says so-called calzada or street surveys and informal election surveys don't need to register.
Yung mga ginagawang kalsada surveys ay hindi po kasama yon. Yung mga ginagawang surveys ng mga dyaryo, radyo, hindi po kasama yon sapagkat yan ay part ng News and Public Affairs Program. Ayaw natin na mapaviolate yung freedom of the press.
But for those who need to register, Garcia warns failure to comply is grounds for an election offense. Meanwhile, the Commission issued guidelines for the conduct of election debates. Under COMELEC Resolution 1115, debate organizers shall ensure that all bona fide candidates are invited, well represented, and treated equally.